Hi, I'm Marna, and I wanted to give you another weekly reminder about the upcoming challenge that I put out to the doll community, everybody, to flood YouTube the week of October 25th through the 31st with Monster High doll videos. It can be anything. Show your collection. Tell us about one doll. Give us some DIYs. Anything. Just put a Monster High up that week. Here's a couple of hacks and crafts I came up with that I thought you might be able to use. Many of us buy our dolls used. I got her from an antique store. She actually came with her original outfit, but of course no shoes. I said before I took these off a porcelain doll, and while they're not great shoes, they're shoes. And with longer skirts, all you see is the toe. But today she has a shorter skirt. This is an 18-inch doll stand that Darren created using the 3D printer. I love these. I use them for a lot of different dolls. She has on a sock top. I just cut out of a sock. We all know how to do that. She has on cheap little Halloween rings, one for a necklace, one for an armband. And then I wanted to show you the skirt that I made. This is a new DIY. See, I made the panties to go with that. I took a bandana and I did two things. One, let's open this. I bought these on clearance last year. Walmart had these for 10 cents on clearance. I bought every one they had in the Halloween print. What I did for her skirt is I took it, I'm going to show you it open so you understand what I'm saying. Bandanas come folded usually 3 times. And what you want is to open that to the square. And I simply took a pair of scissors and I cut a small hole. I just rounded that out. Always make your waist holes smaller than you think you need. And then with the V so that it's in front, I cut a little bitty slit in the back. I took bias tape. You could do this also in a contrasting color for belt looking. And I hand stitched it from the bottom of the seam all the way around the skirt. And I added Velcro, just a little Velcro piece. That's what it's like. Now, here's the cool thing. It fits more than just her. This will also fit your BJDs and a few other dolls. Now, for some of them, it's going to be on the, they're not as tall, so it'll hang down a little bit, which is witchy for Halloween. So that's kind of fun. Now, don't stop there. If you take the tags, if you have a fancy bandana like this one, or a holiday print, they usually have a tag, and on the tag is a picture of why, I don't know, it's not like you can't see it, but at any rate, I'm going to cut these out and use them for coasters. So bandanas are usually about $1. Like I said, I got these for 10 cents on clearance. Keep your eyes open. Think ahead with your crafts. It took me about, I don't know, probably less than 30 minutes to do this craft. And here's the little coaster that costs nothing. I probably have, let's call it 15 cents into this, because I'm cheap and I look for those bargains. If you buy more than one of these bandanas, you can also decorate your tables in your doll houses or your scenes, or just on your table where your candy is setting for your kids as they come to your door to see. Remember, you can do this in any bandana. Does not have to just be a Halloween craft. Thanks for watching. Please share the information about the upcoming last week in October flood YouTube with Monster High videos. Share this video if you would. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.